We're at the Crosshouse Hospital in Ayrshire, the takeoff and landing point for the drones to support Project CAELUS, which is all about transferring real important medical goods from point A to point B and cutting out land transport issues.
We've been working with key services and clinical teams, tried to develop some really high value clinical use cases to explore during the trial. We're focused with the route between the mainland and the Isle of Arran, and we know we work within challenging transport logistics, being an island with sort of like both road and ferry transport. And what we're hoping to explore is the use of something which could potentially be more agile and responsive, especially for meeting those sort of like urgent and unplanned medical needs.
This will give us more access out with the normal service, possibly overnight, and it's a quicker transport time for the product.
So one of the use cases we've focused on is diagnostic laboratory samples, the idea being that if we can promote quicker access to diagnostic testing, that will help inform clinical decision making and patient management.
We're operating from here to the Isle of Arran, which we can do in a drone in 30 minutes. That could potentially take 3.5 to 5 hours by the road and ferry route, and therefore significant changes, and that can be rolled out across the whole of Scotland. My role in this is creating the airspace for us to operate the drone safely and fit in with other airspace users, which is a really key and a lengthy process that has to be undergone through the Civil Aviation Authority.
So UNRWA is providing its delivery management system into the CAELUS trials. The main purpose of the delivery management system is to provide an end-to-end connection between the hospital service and the drone operators. What this means is that the hospital service can submit orders into the system which the drone operators receive digitally. They can enable a drone operation, and once the drone is airborne on its way to deliver the product, the hospital service will receive regular updates on the app as to where the drone is.
Super excited to be involved in the CAELUS drone project that they're trialling in Arran at the moment. It'll hopefully speed up the process for both patients that live on the island but also holidaymakers that come to the island. It means we can get samples from us over to the main hospital a lot faster, but also get supplies over to us as well.
The future of using drones to deliver medical goods throughout Scotland is a really viable thing to do. The future in terms of CA policy is this will be spread out across the whole of the UK, and we will be able to interact with all other airspace users in a safe and efficient manner.